Very good evening and good morning, everyone. Welcome to the ISS combo demo session. So we started the ISS combo batch 14. So just for the next 20 minutes, I'll just go through what is ISS combo batch 14 or what we had in newly. Okay. So every batch we are keep on try to increase some topics. Okay. So we added a lot of things in this particular batch. So of course, we are having the same ISS combo batch 14, but in this combo batch 14, we added a lot of new stuffs so that you will get more real-time scenarios. Okay. So we added few apps and everything so that it will be helpful for the students. Okay. So that you can experience the very much real-time scenarios within our training itself. So one by one, I will just go through that so that even some of the previous batch students, so you can also get benefited with this. If some of you wants to join the previous batch students, you can join for free in this batch. No need to pay anything. Okay. So because I wanted to give more, right? Because of course we have given always try to given more, but still I added so many things now so that it will be missing for you. Okay. So that should not happen for the previous batch students also, so that openly everyone can join for this particular ISS combo batch 14. Because so one by one I will show you what and all we added newly in this particular ISS combo batch 14, right? So that, okay, first of all, what is ISS combo batch? Let us see one by one. So the basic slides, whatever I used to do in every batch, let me go through that as well. Okay, for the next 10-15 minutes. Then I will explore one by one what is added newly in this particular ISS combo batch 14, right? So then you can ask any questions. Yeah. So let's try to explore what is newly added, first of all, in Informatica. Okay. So we cannot be like a previous traditional way of learning, right? As any product, they will keep on update, right? Same way, we should also keep on update with the current scenario. Okay. We have to be very carefully analyze with the current market. Based on that, we have to update. Otherwise, we will become out of date, right? It applies for everyone and also for everything, right? Yeah. Now let us see one by one. Then we'll go through the what is ISS combo batch 14. Okay. Before that, myself, Hari, I have 14 plus years of experience in multiple ETL tools and also data warehouses, databases. Okay. So I have worked with many ETL tools. Okay. Like particularly SAP boards initially, then started with Azure Data Factory, then Informatica also, right? So particularly in Informatica, I have more experience compared to any other ETL tools. Okay, totally I have 14 plus. That means now, as of now, it is 15 years crossed, right? After this 2026. Okay. Now let us come to the point. What is ISS combo training? Okay. So what is ISS combo batch? Why we are calling us ISS combo batch? So what is combo? Why we made us combo? What is the advantage in this? Okay, after many changes, we came to this conclusion. So the same structure I am following for the past 13 batches and also this particular 14 batch also. But particularly every batch we will keep on add more things. But I felt we made some big changes in this particular ISS combo batch 14. So it's an advantage for the people who are going to join newly and also for the previous people also. I don't want to make it miss for anyone, for the previous batch students also. So the previous batch students also no need to pay anything. You can get all the benefits, whatever we added in the new batch 14. Particularly in our website, we added many things, so that will be very much helpful. So to explore more on the live APIs and many things. Okay. Now, ISS combo training. What is ISS combo training? Right. So here, why ISS combo training? First of all, why ISS combo training? Right. Why not the same traditional? Right. Why it is important for the current market scenario? Right. And particularly in this, we are going to cover Informatica PowerCenter also. Okay, Informatica IICS IDMC also, SQL also, Snowflake also. So these topics, everything will be covered in the single batch. So that is the very unique thing compared to any other Informatica available trainings as of now, right? So why I felt like this, then why we are doing like this? Why not to maintain the same structure like, because previously before some 2 3 years I was also doing the same kind of separate training like Power Center, IICS separately and all. Okay. So what is this? Okay, for any topic you take, okay, you all know, right? So I don't want to explain more on what is ETL, and many of you know, okay, and telling from the depth, okay, from the bottom level, what is data warehouse, and many of you know, because I know all of you are, many of you have joined from the technical side only, and many of you are aware already about our training. So I don't want to make the time waste on the from the very basic things. Okay, let's jump into the direct parts. Okay, so Informatica, you all know, right? Informatica has many topics like whatever is available in the SQL. So SQL has many topics, right? It has joins, it has aggregation, it has rank, it has stored procedure, and many topics. So those topics we need to explore in the Informatica, right? So that is the core idea of even ETL tools also. Okay, the ETL tool, they have some transformations, right? Instead of writing the SQL queries, the ready-made transformations. Okay, I don't want to write any queries, just drag and drop that particular transformation, you will get that, right? So to make it very easy, right, because you don't want to write too much of SQL queries, just use the ready UI, user interface, right? So that is what the ETL tool makes us, right? That is how the core idea is coming. So but the topics are same only. Topic means the purpose is same, the content is same. What is that? Rank is there, aggregation is there, everything is there, right? Whatever available in the SQL, everything is available, most of the things even in the ETL. But it will explore with more and more topics when it is moving to the ETL, right? So for example, joins. Topic wise today, assume that today we are learning joins. We will learn the joins in SQL. First, joins in Power Center, joins in IICS. The same SQL we can apply on Snowflake also, because Snowflake is not having the same transformation. Okay. So either we can practice with any other database, okay, or data warehouse or any SQL developer, and also in the Snowflake. Okay. But Snowflake is not only just a SQL query platform. It has a lot of beautiful features available nowadays. Okay. That I want to add more in this particular batch, because I couldn't make it in the previous batch students. Of course, I brought many things, but still I want to add more, right? Yeah. So that I don't want to miss for anyone, even for the previous and also for the coming students also, right? Yeah. Now, so this is what the topics, right? For example, you are learning joins today. Let's joins in SQL, joins in Power Center, that is Informatica Power Center, joins in IICS IDMC, joins in Snowflake also, right? If available means the same topic is not available in the Snowflake, everything. If it is available, then we'll go for Snowflake also. That's why I just mentioned if available in the bracket, right? Same way, aggregation, all the topics, SQL, Power Center, IICS. rank. Rank in SQL, rank in PowerCenter, rank in IICS, rank in Snowflake. So all the topics we will go in this way only, so that all the topics you can master parallelly. Okay, instead of learning in separate batch, and cost wise everything you can see one by one. Okay, next, same way all the topics, filters, expression. These are some examples I'm showing. Okay, yes. Yeah. Just wait for 10 minutes. I'll just answer those questions also. Okay. Let's complete this. Then I'll come to the point. Yes. Yeah. So first of all, why? First of all, why? Why don't let me learn in the same pattern? Okay. Learn the Informatica Power Center for the 2 months. IAS is for the 2 months. Snowflake will not be there. We added Snowflake also. Okay. First of all, the purpose is you can save the money cost wise. Okay. So to save the cost, we are not going to reduce the quality. Quality will be multiple times more only. Okay. Right. Save time. First of all, time is very, very important than the money. Right. We can earn the money. That is not a problem. But save the time. Time you cannot, even if you spend millions of dollars, you can't purchase a single second of time. Time is most precious. We cannot waste the time on anything, either in learning, working. So time is most important. We cannot waste the time. So that we have to save. That is the biggest, I feel, compared to the fees also, right? So fees also, let us come to that point also, right? And normally, if you learn Informatica Power Center in the market, the price will be like up to 12,000 to 16,000 normally. And Informatica IICS, if you want to learn, same, 12,000 to 18,000 also. Even I seen some posts that 10,000 also only for CAI. Okay, I just gone through some Facebook post and all just last week. How many classes they are giving? 12 classes. 12 classes, how much? 10,000. Yeah. Next, then Oracle. Okay, and Snowflake, right? So if you want to learn Snowflake or SQL, minimum price. These are very, very minimum, I'm telling. Okay, you all know 10,000 to 12,000. Of course, we are not going to completely take Snowflake, but Snowflake, most of the important sessions will take. Yeah, particularly in this batch, we are going to cover more, right? So that you can just make a total, how much it will happen. Okay, it's 40,000 plus will happen, right? If you learn everything in the separate batch, and minimum it will take, I just mentioned as 4 months, but definitely it is more than 5 months to learn separately, right? And mainly you will not get the comparisons. If you learn in a separate batch, you will not get the comparison means what? Many topics are very, very same, but only the naming conventions will change. For example, in Informatica Power Center, we call it as workflow level task. But in IACS, we'll call it as task flow, right? So those comparisons is most important. Even if you learn also, you should get the comparison, that one, right? And what is the fees? Okay, what is our fees? Let's come to the fees is just 9,600 only. Okay, so you don't want to even pay fully also. You can pay half of the amount and you can start. You can pay the remaining after 14 sessions. And if any of the proper reason is there, okay, I'm not getting any benefit from this, you can get the refund also. Whatever you, for example, half of the amount you paid, if you have the proper reason, we will give the refund of, okay, you are not taking any risk, right? So of course we are not doing all this for some marketing or for our only benefit, okay, for our benefit, okay, because many people are struggling without any ideas in the ground level. I am just focusing those people. I want to get them to the better job and opportunities we have to give, okay. So we think that 9,600 is not a big money, but many people thinking that this is also very big money. Okay, I know that perspective also, right? Because very initially I was also came from lot of struggles, so I know the money value, right? So since once if you jump into the IT, you will get salary just like that. Okay, 1 lakh, 1.5 lakhs per month. Just to see in the flip side, in the non-IT, even the big service managers, they are controlling the entire state. They will be working for a company, right? Under them, more than 200 people are working. The salary is not more than 40,000. I can show n number of examples even now. Okay, they can say proudly that I am taking care of everything, I am everything. What is the salary? 40,000, not 40,000, not more than 50,000. But here in the IT, just the people who are working for just 2 years as a engineer, any data engineer or ETL developer, they are earning more than 1 lakh, 1.5 lakh, even 2 lakhs, more than 2 lakhs, right? I have, I can show many students, our students, they are earning more than 1.8 lakh till 2 lakh per month. What is the experience? Not more than 4 years. Okay. So show that examples I can show, right? But how they are getting, just they are keep on changing the companies. So a lot of tricks is there. So those things we can apply. Once if they get the offer, we should not accept that offer. We should keep on go to the next offers. Even if you get the job also, if you crack the interview, you should not accept it immediately. Just keep the offer in hand and demand with another company. Okay, I can show a number of examples like that. So once if you get an offer of at least 6 lakhs, for example, just keep that and demand to the next company for 9 lakhs. Just keep that offer and keep ready and ask for another company 12 lakhs. This is the best technique to increase your salary, right? It's very practical and it is genuine. There is nothing wrong. This is not even illegal. It's a pakka, clear strategy to increase the salary just like that. Okay. So it's very practical. Yeah. And so the total duration is 45 to 48 days, right? That means total classes I am telling. So 45 to 48 classes we are going to take. Daily it will be 1.5 to 2 hours. And the total hours will be 80 plus hours. And we have the support also. We added more people also now to give the technical support. Okay, yeah, I am also available in the daytime till night 11 o'clock. I will be available. After that, you have the team also. Okay, okay, yeah. Many people ask why so much of less price. There is something less in your training. That's why you are giving less price. So that also sometimes the questions arises, right? So the reason is not like anything less. Many people are struggling in the ground level, right? And struggling in the non-IT with a very less salary, and many are in the struggling to, they don't want to go for coding job, but they want IT job. Okay, so those scenarios is available, and also many are working in the without any proper job guidance. Okay, that I wanted to give, and as I already said, okay, many are lack of money also is there in our country, right? So based on their scenario, I will give some time discount also, even in this also, right? Yeah, yeah. Now, so what and all we are going to learn for the 45 or whatever 48 days, right? So let's see one by one. Day 1 to day 4, the basic SQL, and for every class, we will go in this structure, right? First SQL, 15 minutes. Informatica PowerCenter, 20 minutes or 25 minutes. IICS, 35 to 40 minutes. Snowflake also. We'll try to add more and more, right? Now, but here, the center picture is, the important topic is IICS IDMC only. Okay, we are going to decorate with these garlands. Okay, the main picture is IICS, but we will give the full priority for Power Center also, SQL also, right? So that IACS will be, that will be the main picture, right? We cannot learn separately. IACS is having lot of new features compared to the Informatica Power Center, right? So we can see how to migrate from Power Center to IACS, right? And hierarchy topics, Excel loading, Excel load, we cannot use the Excel sheet and all in Informatica Power Center. That is possible in the IACS. And many features, it is having extra features available in the IACS. Yeah, and also, so who can join Informatica Power Center developers? Now also, a lot of people are working in the Informatica Power Center alone, right? So those people can join, and also IT professionals, any IT, right? So for example, if you are in the Tableau, Power BI, or any SQL developer, data analyst, anything, right? So it is suitable because Informatica developers has a very good salary. Right now, Informatica IACS developer, you are already an IACS developer, but still you want to, many are working in the support team. You can come to this to how to go for development easily. And also, if you are in the development also, you can learn more because we have lot of new scenarios now, which is rarely available. Even the Informatica CAI, we added more things. So that I let me tell one by one, right? Any graduates also can join, even if you are a freshers, because we add with Snowflake also. This Snowflake alone will boost your call, right? Yeah, SQL and Snowflake is there. That is more than enough for any graduate to get any job, right? So additionally, if you learn these Informatica Power Center and IACs and all, it will become a very big goal for you. Okay, it will become a big opportunity. From the initial, you are learning so much, and your future will be very very fast, right? So these are the some of the questions frequently I used to get, right? Can I learn Informatica Power Center separately? No, there is no much calls, you all know, right? Can I learn Informatica IICS directly? That also no. Okay, separately we can't. Without PC and SQL, we cannot learn, right? So many are available even now. Also, I know many are learning Informatica IICS developer separately. So that is not at all recommended. You should learn first Informatica Power Center. Simply you can't skip Informatica Power Center and directly learning IICS is not at all correct. You will be struggle in the project, okay, because they will be expecting more on Power Center. So always I used to say, so Informatica Power Center is like a bachelor degree and IICS is like a master degree. We cannot skip the bachelor degree and jump into IICS, that is master degree directly, right? So that is not a correct practice, right? So our structure, right? So from the day one, we will give all the question and answers so that you can practice from the day one. Okay. So those who are following our exact instruction, they are getting the job. Okay. I can show in this batch also 3 people has got the job. Okay. In this batch 13, I can show. Okay. If some of you want, you can get back to me. I will just show that. And the previous batch, before 40 session, 5 people has got the job, because we are running the classes with corporate. So the corporate trainings, why I'm doing that also will be in parallel, right? So those people are joining to survive the job because they will be in the bench. Most of the time they will be in the bench. So they want to go and crack the client interview. Unless they crack the client interview, they cannot survive. Okay. They will not get even the bench also. Okay. So that is how the many scenarios. Okay. So they will be in the Informatica Power Center or any other, right? So the company will give a opportunity. Okay, let us be in the bench. Just crack these client interview, then you can continue the job. Otherwise, sorry. So that kind of scenario is there. Those people also in this current batch, they are going to join. Even in the previous batch, also the same thing was there. In this current batch, also it is there, right? So they are able to crack the interview easily and they are able to continue the job. So they are also getting the job. Okay, those who following the instructions. Okay, so these are the instructions we are following. Okay, so it is a very successful formula. Okay, like how? So day 1, we will give all the notes and exercises. You can start to learn. And day 20, we will prepare the resume and Naukri profile and experience settings. We will give all the ideas how to manage about the experience and everything, right? And the complete guidance will give. And day 23, mock interview will be there. The first mock interview I will be there. Okay. The first mock interview, I am not going to force everyone. So it's those who want to get the job immediately, they are following and they are getting the job. Okay. Yeah, it's a practical, it's scientifical, right? I can show many examples. So now, based on the interest of the student only, I will just take the mock interview. It is not like forcing. And also we will make a SWOT analysis of the student. Okay. And while taking the mock interview, I will not, if they are interested, I will record, otherwise I will not record. So if I will record and I can share, based everything is based on their interest, and video can be on or off. Okay, that is based on the student's interest. You can switch on the video and you can attend the mock interview, or you can switch off also. That is up to you, right? So I want to give the complete privacy for everyone, those who want to attend the mock interview, because in the day 23, they will not have much confidence. But why we are starting this mock interview immediately? So you will get an idea, okay, what kind of questions they will ask, right? So if they did well, if the mock interview is good, I will also upload that video if they permitted, right? Otherwise, I will not upload. Yeah, these are the things. And day 25, students can attend the real-time interview. Okay. So these are the major changes in the common traditional trainings and our training, right? So all the sessions should complete. Then only they will go for interview. But in our session is not like that. Everyone can attend the real-time interview after completed 25 session itself. Okay, you will get recording. Okay, I will give some recording techniques also if you go for the real-time interview. And so they are also sharing the question and answers in the group so that others also will get motivated. So they will also see that, correct? Okay, yeah. Now, second mock interview will be there. After 35 session, we will have a second mock interview, right? So again, the same only based on interest. Okay. Because few people are telling, let me complete all the sessions. Then I will go for real-time interview. That is, everyone's have their own idea. Let us follow that also. But this is our recommendation. That's all. It is not forcing everyone. And so we expect that you should crack the interview, real-time interview before 40 session itself, not even 45. I can show many examples. They cracked before 40 session itself. Yeah, correct. So yes, again, if you not cracked, we will have a third mock interview. Okay. If not, until you get the job, we will be there. Okay. And after getting the job, even now also we are providing job support. Okay. Continuous job support we are giving. Up to 2 months, it is free. Okay. Up to, 2 to 3 months, we will give the free job support. After that, very rarely they will come. They can survive after that. If we initially just we will push it, they can handle after that. Nothing to worry, right? Correct, right? Now, what is Informatica PowerCenter and IICS? What is the difference? Okay. Yeah, we'll come to the part of what kind of laptop you can have. What is the basic requirements in your laptop? Okay, to practice both in the same session. So these are the basic requirements like on-premises. So this is an on-premises ETL tool. Informatica PowerCenter is a on-premises ETL tool, and the cloud it is a cloud, right? And minimum 6 GB RAM should be there in Informatica PowerCenter for to run this. And for security agent, in this security agent will be there in Informatica IICS. So it is needed to be at least 4 GB RAM should be there. But overall, you should have at least 8 GB RAM or minimum 6 GB RAM should be there, right? Then only you can practice easily. Otherwise, it will be very slow for you. And your hard disk should be, at least you should have 100 GB free should be there. 100 GB overall. You can keep 100 GB or at least 80 GB free, right? Yeah. Yeah, yeah. It's the same only I just whatever I told, right? Course roadmap, right? So this structure is a very successful structure. So just to follow the same, if you join, can follow the same without any hesitation, without any overthinking, whether it is possible or not. Blindly you follow, you will be in the success 100%. Okay, I can show a lot of examples like that. Okay, so day one and day 20, whatever I told previously, same only. Yeah. So let's come to our website now, right? Yeah. So you can see here, okay, SQL lab plus practice. So the complete SQL you can learn for free. Anyone, not only our enrolled or nothing like that. Yes. The complete SQL you can learn for free, right? And we added a lot of pages now, like Industry Connect. Okay, particularly I want to tell about this. Yeah, particularly I want to tell about this. So we have the first of all, let me explain what and all is available in the Industry Connect, right? These all are, it is going to bring the real time absolutely for you. Okay. So job support. First of all, after getting the job support, you can apply the job support here, right? You can apply with your skill, right? Either both can, right? You, if you want to give the job support, yes, you can also. If you want to get a job support, yes, both. Just apply here and you have all the options here. Job support seeker, job support provider, both are available. And you can give your details and we will, yes, we will allot the job support, right? Then next, real industry projects. Okay, many of you are asking how to present my project. Okay, just go through this page. It will help you to explain about your project. First of all, why ETL tool, why IICS, why SQL, why database. All the questions will be clearly answered here, right? So here I given the challenges and what is the solution by using the particular tools, right? You can see here, every project includes why started, challenges faced, tools used, solutions implemented, results achieved, everything, right? So for example, right, you take a explore projects. Okay, let me click on this Informatica PowerCenter and IICS Informatica PowerCenter, right? So legacy banking modernization, right? For example, a bank, they started their business. So what is the challenge they faced? How the ETL tools has helped them? If you understand this, you can explain your projects in the real time very, very easily. Okay, just you can take any one scenario and you can explore then the interview and it will be very easy for you to explain. Yeah, yeah, I'm audible, right? No issue, right? Yeah, yeah. Okay, fine. Right, back end reason. So business challenge, bank was using manual Excel, right? We all know any business they started with Excel only. First they will start the Excel. If the company is keep on expanding, then they will go for all the tools like CRM, Salesforce CRM, SAP CRM, everything, right? Initially, they will start with Excel based reporting and causing 3-day delay in the financial reporting, needed automated ETL system. So manual Excel process taking 3 days for monthly financial reports, unable to handle increasing the transaction volume. So these are the reasons. Okay. Specific challenges faced and their impact. Okay. Challenge 1, manual Excel process, 3-day delay, and regulatory compliance solutions. What are the solutions they brought? Implemented. And why those tools, right? Implemented Informatica PowerCenter. Okay. So just in the perspective of Informatica PowerCenter, not IICS also. Why this solution? Chosen for its robust transformation capabilities, scheduler, and banking industry experience, and created automated data pipeline. So why this solution? Oracle and existing banking data SQL server for reporting layer, and built audit framework, okay, to track every data movement for compliance, architecture and tool selection reasoning. So these are the reasonings, right? Complete technology stack with purpose, ETL tool, Informatica PowerCenter, source database, Oracle, target database, SQL server, scheduling, PowerCenter workflow manager, monitoring. So like this, you can learn so many projects I given here. So this is only for Informatica PowerCenter. In the same way, we have IICS. Click on the IICS. So the same bank, okay, just same. Okay, they implemented Informatica IICS. They implemented Snowflake. They implemented, right? So all these things, right? Not only Informatica IICS, you can learn with Snowflake. Why Snowflake, right? So what is the challenge they faced? Different examples is there. Not only banking, we have a lot of other explores also, right? Azure. Why Azure? Right? So healthcare, LOT patient monitoring, real-time analysis. The problem, why this project started? Business challenge. Hospital needed real-time monitoring of ICU patients using LOT devices. Manual patient monitoring, like this. Just go through all these things, right? And so particularly very interesting is Snowflake Live Lab. It's very unique and very important also, right? Click on the Snowflake Live Lab. So this access we are going to give for our students. Okay, normally it will be like this. Okay, if you open that, the Snowflake Live Lab, right? So you can bring the complete Snowflake. You can control the Snowflake from here itself. Same way we brought for even the CAI also, right? So normally it will be like this. Okay, if you click on the Snowflake Live Lab, so here I have given the demo, right? You can click on this demo. This is open for everyone. And for those who have enrolled, we will give a separate access code. That access code will do a lot of magics. It will give a lot of features to practice so many real-time things. Okay. So as of now, I will open the demo, right? Just copy paste the demo code and apply here. It will open that access platform. So now it will open like this. This is the demo mode. Okay. If I given the access, that will enroll like a student. Here it is a demo mode. If a student is enrolling, okay, student is giving the access, it will show like student mode. Student mode is different, demo mode is different, right? Let me show the demo mode first of all. You can see here it is showing like connected to Snowflake. Okay. So that means it is connected to my real Snowflake account, right? It's not simply showing connected to Snowflake. Same way, all the students can connect their Snowflake account here. Okay, why we have to connect, right? So it will show all the accounts details and all. Okay, this is my account and it is connected to the region and the source. Okay, so the live data, everything it will show here. I given some examples here, like just like a training institute data, right? Like course management. Click on this just for practice only. But if you know this much, okay, you are in the real time, right? Because if you go to the real time also, same thing, same data will be there, right? So if you see here, active courses, students. So these courses, okay, where it is coming from? It is coming from the Snowflake. Okay, let me open my Snowflake. That data will be synchronized. If I add a data in the Snowflake, in our Snowflake, it will be automatically added in our platform. Okay. And vice versa. If you add in our website, it will be directly synchronized in the Snowflake platform, right? So how we do this? Okay. Just there is no much magics in this. We are using the Snowflake API directly into our website. Okay. So that Snowflake API will give all these options. So this is how in many real-time projects they will use the Snowflake also, right? See here, we have the accounts here. Just the account locator, what are the credentials you want to give? Just you can give only the three credentials. For example, let me can see here, right? Just a moment. So let me go to our project, right? Sync, new tab. So this access is available even for our IICS combo training also. Yes, yes. Yeah, it's opening. So always just click on this and open it, right? Yeah. So let it open. Let me open the IICS first of all, because let me open the IICS. Let me open the Informatica PowerCenter. Let me open the Oracle. Let me show the UI, everything parallelly, right? So this is the Oracle SQL developer. Let it, so this is my account. It's my new account. Let me open the Informatica IICS. So that parallelly you can learn all the platforms very, very easily in the one by one live sessions. That is the biggest advantage, right? So this is the Informatica IICS platform, the number one ETL tool in the market. Yes. Okay. It has a lot of robust features. Okay. So this will make the project very easily to solve many problems, just like I shown in the projects, right? Real-time projects I told, right? In that, why the companies they are choosing the Informatica IICS nowadays. Okay. Yeah. You can see the features. Let me go to the administrator here. First of all, okay, you can see here it has a runtime environment. So you can see here. So this after installation, we will get this. Normally, it will have only one runtime environment initially. After created our account, another after created our ISS account. So this runtime also will be added. This is what very important for us for our learning platform, right? You can see here it has some services. So these services should be up and running like this, right? And if you go through the connections, you can give a lot of connections with multiple platforms. Let me go through this connections. Click on the connections. And here we have a lot of options to connect multiple real-time connectors, right? So here I already connected with Oracle and Snowflake, sorry, Salesforce, right? Now add connection. Here we have default so many connectors, right? Yeah, cloud integration hub, right? And flat file you can connect, and Oracle ODBC. So previously there was JDBC, they removed the JDBC. Now we have only ODBC, right? So it is keep on changing. They are keep on updating. We can connect the Snowflake directly. We can connect the Salesforce. We can connect any web service. Yeah, SQL server. But if any of the options is not available, then we can go for ODBC. So why ODBC? For example, I'm thinking I want to connect the PostgreSQL. Then I can go for ODBC, right? We can go for ODBC and connect with remaining all other databases. That is why ODBC is there. So these are some direct connectors. You can connect directly. Yeah. And we have the add-on connection. Click on the add-on connection. Here we can connect all other cloud platforms very, very easily. See here, lot of 12, right? 12 pages are there. We have, right, Google Drive connector, right? And so you can see bricks is there, cloud application integration connector, Dayforce is there, right? And yeah, these are the options. You can search this. If you want to add the Snowflake, you can add the Snowflake here. You will get like this, okay? So any connections, if you are not taken, it will show like start free trial. Once if you taken, that start free trial will not be there. Then it will show like license available. Once if you added, okay? Yes, let's come to the Informatica PowerCenter also. Let me show a few things in that. And we will do the basic a basic mapping also, right? And I will explore, I'll tell you some more things on the CAI also. CAI is most important now. CDI and CAI. Yes, yes. Yeah, Informatica PowerCenter is not having CAI. Informatica IICS is having. Yes. Yeah, cloud data integration. CDI and CAI. Okay, sometime it will show like this. 1 second. Yeah, now it is open. So this is the Oracle SQL developer. Definitely we will learn the SQL through Oracle SQL developer and also in our website also, right? You can practice easily in both platform initially, right? SQL lab practice. Okay, you can practice the entire SQL with multiple features like Oracle and PostgreSQL also. So here you no need to install. Instantly you can practice. It will be feel like you are in the SQL, Oracle SQL only, because the UI and everything I created very similar. You can see here this and that will be looking like very similar. The background colors and the fonts and all will be like very much like Oracle SQL, but it has more features in this. Okay, you can switch with Oracle and PostgreSQL also, right? Yeah, it has a lot of features. Yeah, yeah, you can practice the absolutely, yes, you can practice. Okay, select star from students. You can see here I'm getting the results here, right? So this is very rare in any training institutes and all. To develop all these things, I put a lot of efforts so that it will be helpful for the. Yes, definitely you can use this in the mobile also. Very easily you can use this in the mobile, because I given all the pages also. You can see here SQL introduction is there. SQL, how to import tables, different languages of SQL, constraint, single row function, joins, aggregation, rank, sorting functions, union, exercises. If you complete all these things, definitely you are already mastered the SQL, which is very much important for a Informatica developer or any data developers, okay, or data engineers. Okay, so let me do a basic mapping in IICS now, right? So as a Informatica developer, you will be always in this data integration. If your project is having Informatica IICS CAI also, then you will be here in this application integration also, right? But many projects is having both or optionally any one also. But as IICS developer or Informatica developer, we should be have a good idea on both also. application integration and also data integration. So this is called CAI and this is called CDI. Yeah, correct. So let me go through the data integration first. Let me do a simple mapping so that, yeah, correct. Let me do that. Parallelly, let me see the IE's Informatica. Yeah, it's not still not connected. I think this one I is supposed to, 1 second. Yeah, this one password expired. That is why Informatica PowerCenter is not opening. Just a second. So this is the data integration UI. This is the data integration UI in the IICS. Click on the new. And here we have multiple features like mapping, maplets, task flows, components. Click on the mapping, create. Click on the source, right? We have 3 buttons here. One, it is to see the complete UI, and this is a top and bottom panel, and this is for only for bottom panel. So based on our requirement, we can keep on change. So here, yeah, many of you might seen the Informatica PowerCenter. It will have a source qualifier separately, but in IICS, we do not have source qualifier separately. So all the functions is included within this source itself. Okay, there is no anything like source qualifier separately in the IICS IDMC. Right here, if we click whatever I connected the connectors, it will show either if I connected with Snowflake, everything it will show. As of now, I connected with Oracle, so it is showing the Oracle. Click on this, whatever is there in the Oracle, all the tables it will show now. So it is asking the password expired, right? So yes, let me give that. Info, enter username. Enter password, info. Okay, new password. Changing password for info. Let me give us info1 now. Info1. Yeah, now it is connected. So if I go and see in the Oracle, whatever the expired will be cleared, right? Yeah, every 6 months, something due to security reasons, they will be doing this. And see here, it is connected, right? But the thing for my Informatica PowerCenter, this info is very, very important. So if I change the password, my Informatica PowerCenter will not work, right? So what I want to do, I want to change it to the previous password only. My previous password was info only, even password also info, and username also info only. Let me change it. So let me change it. Okay, reset password. So the current password I set there is info1. The new password I will give as info again here, so that I can go to the previous password easily. Info only, right? Yeah, now it is okay, right? So every 6 months or something, it will happen so that you can replace your password. You can change your, it will be expired. Simply you can go through the terminal and you can go through this SQL plus and you can you can change the password like this so that your problem will be solved. Okay. So due to this reason, Informatica PowerCenter was not connecting now. So now it will connect, right? See here, even the service also not starting for me. Okay, I need to wait for at least 5 to 10 minutes for this. Yes. So the Informatica IICS is completely dependent. Okay, no, it is not depending on any other database. It will work, right? At least it will work all the at least its UI will work. Okay, because it is a cloud. But in the case of Informatica IICS, without database, it can't start. Without the support of any particular connection with any particular database like Oracle or SQL Server, it won't start. Okay. Yeah. Let me come to this once again. So, okay, it is tested. Let me check with another target also. Oracle stage. Let me test this also once because it is a new connection for me. Edit. Stage. Fine. Test. So the connection is successful. Save. Yeah. Cloud application integration. Yes. So this service we have to start the service to start the Informatica PowerCenter always. So IACS is not like that. Sometimes you can check it. This security agent. This security agent is related to the Informatica IICS. This one for Informatica PowerCenter. For Informatica PowerCenter, we have to start always. For IICS, no need to start always. Yeah, correct. Okay, it will take some 5 to 10 minutes. Before that, let me go through the Informatica IICS CI. So these are the CI, right? So whatever the previously we created in the CI, everything it will show here, right? These are the projects we created. So created means it is not created in this particular account. It is simply migrated from the previous Informatica IICS account. Okay. Because yeah, it's just created on 16th. Today it is 21st. So these things and all I created in the last batch of this Informatica IICS combo 13. So these projects you can see here, CAI COVID project. Okay. And we have other projects, right? If we have like, okay, yes, 1 second. Here, this previous batch. So we have very interesting projects and all in this, okay? Flight search, Indigo test. Because we have the pages for that also to connect to the CAI. Yes. You go through our website, Industry Connect, IICS CAI Live Lab. Okay, just like I showed in Snowflake. So this is connected with IICS CAI. So this is just like the Make My Trip platform, right? Correct. See here. So this is like just like a Make My Trip platform, right? You can connect the IICS CAI. So this is how we are telling that we are going to bring the real-time projects. Okay. Yes. So this is connected already with the IICS CAI. You can see here. So this UI and all it is Yeah, it's within our project, within our website only it is there. Okay. In this page, IICCI live. Okay. So you can book a flight here. Okay. Not only flight, hotels, trains, buses, but this is not a really working, but this is connected through the CAI to show the real-time project. We are doing this, right? You can search the flight, search flight with CAI. It will show the results also, right? So flight, Indigo flight, Air India, Vistara. Okay. In the back end, we will connect it to the CAI so that you will get the real-time platform. Okay. Just like we connected the IICS Snowflake, right? So Snowflake live lab, it is having with same way. And here we have the flight service provider, right? So this is only for some particular flight service provider like Indigo I just mentioned. So it will open the Indigo page now so that you will get the real-time project, Pakka, clearly. See here, Indigo Airlines. So it is showing everything like a Indigo company's backend admin page. Okay, because you can see here, dashboard is there, flights is there. Okay, and we also mentioned as connected with the CAI, right? 24/7 API support. Okay, what is API? Application Programming Interface, right? Connected to CAI integration. We can add the flight here. Okay, so these options and all we added. So these things you can use as a student. You can build your own projects in this. So click on the bookings. You can book the flight also like this, right? And API configuration, you can do the API configuration in this. This is the API CA connector configuration JSON, right? And monitor, you can do the monitor also here. What are the flights available as of now? 77 flights is available, and total bookings and active flights. Like this, we created few things in this, right? And weather API integration. So why we do everything? You can see here real-time weather API demo. Okay. So this is also connected with CAI. This is also connected with CAI. It is showing the real-time weather app, right? Yeah, you can see here. I'll just select the Bangalore here to show the Bangalore's 20 degrees Celsius. Okay. So I will give the idea for you to create such apps using any CAI or any other API also. Okay. Similar to CAI, we have a lot of other platforms that also I can give the ideas for you. So you can create your own apps like this so that it will give a lot of confidence for you for the real-time projects. Let me come to the Snowflake live lab. In that, I want to show some more things. Let me go to the, it is trying to connect to the Snowflake. Connect your account. As a student, you can also connect your account. For example, assume that I am the student. I will just open another Snowflake platform here. Student 2. Okay. Just it's another account of a student. Let me connect a student's account in this separately so that you can also connect your account in this so that you can practice more real-time projects. So assume that this is the Snowflake of a student account. You can take this account locator and simply copy this and you can connect it here. Just Snowflake account, and you can connect while creating the Snowflake account, whatever you are doing to that location you can give. As of now, I'll give the Mumbai and student 2. This is the username and password. Okay, let me connect it. So since I already added, it is showing. You can see here it is showing like connected to Snowflake successfully, right? So once if you connect, this platform will become like your own Snowflake platform. The same data will show. You can see here it is changed. Previously different was there. So now it is student mode. Previously it was demo mode. Right? You can add the data here and you can practice a lot of things. So we added a lot of top 10 scenarios, industry projects. Okay. So let me click on this retail and e-commerce. So it will open like a smart bazaar or big bazaar previously, right? So these things you can see here. How the backend is working for your ETL tool or for a Snowflake or any data warehouse, we will bring everything. Okay. So click on this admin dashboard. Yeah, we can explore a lot of things in this. Okay. So Rishab retail enterprise platform like that, right? So you can see here all the inventory, how a real-time retail company will have the backend admin, right? Connected to, so like this. Okay, let me come back from his. Yeah, this is just like a e-commerce website. Okay, this is within our website. Yes, you can use all these things for our real-time project usage, so that you can explore a lot of things. You will get a lot of confidence. Okay, I am also doing in the real-time project. So these are the front end. Okay, you don't want to be like a back end. So as a Snowflake or ETL developer, you will be working in the back end, but you should know what is happening in the front end. Then only you can work more efficiently, right? So that we brought all these things here. Got it? Yeah, industry projects. Okay, you can create your own project here, custom builder. Okay, you can build your own projects here. Start building now, right? So you don't want more than this to work in a real time project. Yes, we created everything what you can explore, which is very easily you can catch with the real time projects. Yeah, fine. So let me come to the IICS CDI now, right? Okay, I think it will open now because already it's 10 minutes over. So my repository should open now. Click on the connect. Yeah, it's connecting now because let us see. Previously, I was getting a error. Why? My password is expired in my Informatica, sorry, in my Oracle SQL developer. That I replaced the password also. Okay, it is taking some more time also. Yes. So other 2 minutes we have to wait to connect this. Let's come to the IICS. We'll go to the data integration now. Once again, which one you're asking? Okay, let me show the, yeah, okay, let me open the course content and explain few things in that so that you will get a better idea what and all we are going to learn, right? Yeah. So these are the day-to-day topics we are going to learn, right? So introduction, then Informatica, like SQL, 5 different languages of SQL constraints, single row functions. And in the fourth day, we will have the connection with Oracle, Snowflake. Yes, and few things I updated. Still, I have not updated here because I showed whatever I know, that and all I want to update here. Yes. Then we will have the every transformations, filter transformation, expression router, different loadings, source qualifier, quiz and sorter, aggregator, hierarchy parser schema, right? Joiner transformation, union, right? And indirect file loading, rank transformation, sequence generator, right? SCD 1, 2, 3, right? And reusable concepts, lookup transformation, unconnected lookup transformation, parameters and variables, CDC variable, performance tuning, workflow level task flows in IICS. All these sessions we will go through PowerCenter, IICS, like that. Okay. and workflow level task. Okay, real-time projects, whatever I told now, that and all will be covered. Yes, and yes, and CAI. CAI alone will be there up to at least 8 classes will be there. Okay, so we'll cover all the things in the CAI. Whatever is important, everything will cover. Yeah, with complete real-time projects, everything. Not that simply showing the UI here. Okay, the data will flow end to end, so that you will get the feeling of, okay, I'm in the real-time project. Okay, so now any questions? Is there anyone? Yeah, tell me. You can unmute instead of typing. You can unmute, I think. Okay, you can. No. Okay. So what is your background when you completed the degree? Okay, fine. Sure. Okay. You call me after this. You can call me. Okay, I will give the link, and yes, I'll add you in the WhatsApp group. Yes. Fine. Next. Yeah. Y- y- When? Yeah, Mahesh. Yeah. In the Zoom, someone is asking.
Uh,
Yeah, please, Mahesh.
Hi,
Please go ahead. Yeah.
hi, Rishab. Can we expect any Linux course
Yeah,
here?
yeah, yeah. I just forgot to tell that. We will install the complete Unix here. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. And we will have the, sorry, I forgot to tell. I think this is having here also, I think, right? Yeah. We will install the complete Unix here. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. We will practice Unix platform. Okay. So
Okay.
if you see here already it is there, right? Let me open that. You will get an idea clearly. This is what
Okay.
the Unix platform. We will install it. Yes. We will install, we will practice the Unix also, definitely,
Okay.
because
Okay.
that
Thank.
we cannot avoid. It should be there always. So you can see here, this is what the Unix VMware workstation, right? Due to the time constraints, I am not told about that, but since you asked, I am telling, right? So this is, we cannot avoid this. This is very important, because in the real time, you will be working in the, on top of Unix platform only we will be working. Many of the projects, very few projects, they will have Windows. Now you can see, right? It's working, right?
Yes, Rishab.
Now it is, yeah, myself, Hari, actually, our training institute is,
Yeah.
uh,
Okay. Okay.
yeah,
Sorry.
yeah, fine. Yeah, no issue. So this is the VMware. You can connect and you can practice all the Unix commands. I will give all the Unix commands also. So which Unix commands? Within our website, it is there already. Okay. Just I'll go to our website directly. So these pages, we are going to deploy whatever I showed in the real-time also. Yes. We go to our website directly. So these pages will be given for you, so that you can, whatever I told so far, everything you can practice. Yeah, what is your question? Yeah. See here, you can go through this and you have all the interview question answers. Along with this, you have Unix commands. Okay. Interview question answers. Click on the interview question answers. You can practice all these Unix commands also. See here, Unix commands, interview question answers. Okay, what is the difference between the Unix and Linux, right? And what is the shell? How? So these are the commands. PWD. What is PWD? What is LS? What is CD? Right? All the Unix commands. So if you learn this much, this is more than enough. Okay. Yeah.
Hari, one thing, Hari.
Yeah.
Can we actually? You have shown that few transformations in the Explorer, right?
Yeah.
Will you explain all transformations or only imported transformations which we are using?
We will cover 13 to 14 transformations.
So
In,
mostly which are used in real-time projects, right?
yes, that is actually it is having more than 25 to 30.
Mhm.
No, any training institute will going to cover all those things because that is not needed actually. Okay, many or outdated transformations is there which is not even using. The most active and important transformations definitely will cover in Power Center and also IICS.
Okay, okay.
Okay, okay, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Tell me. Yes, yeah. I'm hearing. Please go ahead. What is your background? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, yeah. See, see. So degree is important. Okay. Without degree, how to complete the degree? I will tell you if you want. Okay. Yeah, yeah. See, it's not that all the companies expecting the degree based on. Yeah, you call me. I will tell you. Okay. Based on your resume, you can mention all the resumes. Particularly, you can if you don't have degree. My recommendation is to take the certifications. You take the certifications from Informatica IICS. You call me, I will tell you how to apply for certification. And if you want, you can go for certification on Snowflake also. Instead of going to the degree, you apply the certification and apply that in. I show you show that in your resume and in your LinkedIn and in your profile in the Naukri, and in that way also many people crack the interview and they are also working without degree. Yes, it is a lot of examples I can tell, but if possible please complete the degree. Okay, even if it is discontinued or whatever, try to complete the degree. If you have some challenges, so that is not a problem for your job or for anything. Normally the companies they will expect degree holders, but not all the companies. If you have proper certification, then that will be your degree, right? Because they are not going to give the job for. Yes, if you are having the good skill, definitely they will take. Yes. Yeah, yeah. Okay, so any other questions, anyone? Please call me, I will guide you. Okay, see, first of all you can try to complete the degree, but if you are having really some difficult, I will give you the other ways. Okay. Yes. Okay, experience. Yeah, yeah. What is it? Yeah, yeah, please go ahead. Yeah. No, you can unmute and talk instead of yes, instead of simply typing, you can unmute. Yeah, yeah, correct. Fine. Any other questions, anyone? So those who are in the LMS or in the, yeah, those who are in the LMS, the corporate people. Yeah, please go ahead. Yeah, yeah, correct. Sure. Yeah, yeah, we will cover at least 14 transmissions. Yes, that is more than enough. A few transmissions is extra is there in the ACS compared to the power center. Yeah, yeah, correct. So exactly, if you want to know, yeah, here we have, right? See, for example, rank transformation. We'll do the rank on power center and also IACS and the SQL rank and Snowflake rank like this. Sequence generator, yeah, power center sequence generator. IAC is also having sequence generator. Few transmissions we cannot see in IACS. That is Informatica Power Center is having update strategy transformation that we are not, that is not available. Instead of that, it is having the target itself having some updates in the. Yes, same way. Yeah, yeah, correct. Sure. See, So in that part, let me show for installation. Let me give the idea. Okay. So go to our website. You can install everything today itself. Everything easily are given. So this is the UI. If you give your mobile number and OTP, you can send the OTP. It will open and it will show all the videos, the recording videos. Okay. After the class, after the live class, you can watch the recordings here immediately. Okay. Not immediately, within 1 hour, something like that. Yeah. Fine. Now, so any other questions, anyone? Got it right? What is Informatica IICS combo or whatever? So these are the features we added recently. So in this particular batch, we added so many things to bring the real-time Snowflake Live Lab, ISS CAI Live Lab. So the flight service provider API, right? Yeah. So this, yeah, make my trip we brought completely here. So this make my trip means you all know, right? How to book a flight, how to book a, so everything. So we brought completely here so that by using the ISCI, yeah, it can be connected for CDI also and also Salesforce for CRM. Yes, 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 yes. Yeah. So 5 projects totally you can see here, right? At least, yeah. Industry projects. You can practice all these projects. Healthcare, retail, banking, and custom project builder. This is more than enough for you, okay? To present yourself as an experienced person, even if you are not having experience. Yeah, yeah. Okay. So any other questions, anyone? Yeah, yeah.
No hurry.
Yeah, Arvind. Yeah, tell me, Arvind. You called me 2 days back, right? Yeah. Fine, fine. No, no. See, the corporate people, they join, they will be in the LMS, and other students, they will be in the Zoom. Like that only we structured, because the corporate team, they officially they cannot be joined in the Zoom. They want the training institutes LMS. So that's why I keep some people in the LMS, some people in the Zoom. Even in the previous batch also same only. Yes. No, 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 no any quality issue in the LMS. Same like Zoom only, it will also work based on the feedback I'm telling. Yes. Yeah, yeah, correct. Actually, yeah, some plus and minus will be there. Yes. Yeah, in that case, Zoom also has some issues. Okay. Because those who are joining in the Zoom, they will think that I am not in the original LMS, right? But everyone likes Zoom. That is another perspective. For you, you got the LMS. So LMS is, you can directly access, right? Everything. Even other students also, but only while attending the class, they will be in the Zoom, but they can access everything here also. Yes, correct. Okay. What do you want? Yeah, yeah. Let me open that. Yes. Yeah, this is what Informatica PowerCenter platform. So since the password was replaced, changed, password is changed, I couldn't connect immediately. Okay, now anytime I can connect immediately. Yes. So these are the previous combo batch 13. If I start a new batch, that I will add a new folder like 14. Yeah. Yeah, we're going to start within some 2-3 days. Yes. So once everyone is filling now, okay. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Okay. So this is what the Informatica Power Center platform. So this is the SCD mapping. Okay, the previous SCD mapping. So it seems to be like quite complex, but it is not complex. It's very easy only. So we'll learn one by one. No issue. Same way IICS I will open. I can do a mapping, but the time is very less now, right? So it's already 9:50. Yes. I thought to make a mapping also, the simple basic mapping. Yeah, test mapping. I need to show so many other things. That's why. Yes. Yeah. So any other questions, anyone? Radhika, right? Yeah, Radhika, tell me. Fine. Yeah, this much only, nothing else. If you know this much, definitely you can say that you have 4 years of experience. Yes, you are going to practice with the real-time projects here. We have created a lot of front-end tools here to practice with the, yeah, all these things we created. So yeah, this is what actually, even if you work in the real time, you will not learn everything. That I'm very sure. Okay, because you will not get the opportunity to work with all the transformations, right? Few things you will get, so few things you will not get. But here we are bringing everything. It's better than the real time. Yes, correct. You can crack the client interview 100%, no doubt. Yes. Yes, yes. Okay. So any other questions? Okay, fine. I hope I told everything. Yeah, here. Your questions, anyone? See here, SQL itself. SQL itself, we have set 1, 1 to 25, set 2, 26 to 50, SQL 51 to 100, 101 to 150. 150 questions is there, right? So all are real-time questions. Okay. Let me open this. You can see here, SQL practice part 1. So don't waste the time. Keep on practice everything. Okay. Select start from. This is based on the employees table, which is given in the Oracle SQL developer. Same question, answer, everything is there. Simply you can practice. Okay. For example, I will take this, select. Yeah, yeah. Okay. You can practice it within our SQL lab practice also, right? Yeah, yeah, sure. Here we created the student table. You can create the employees table here and directly you can practice everything. Yes. So what you can do, you open in 2 pages. This is for SQL practice. Another page you open and take the data from that and you can practice here directly. Simple way. See, I'll just take one question here. Okay, you can just select star from employees, right? Let me copy this and come to this and practice it here. Just add here. I have employees table or not, otherwise I have to create. Yeah, I don't have. Okay, it is not there. First, I want to create the employees table. Once if I create, and you can practice all the scenarios. Same way, so here we have, first of all, in SQL introduction, everything. So I cannot cover everything within these 2 hours. So much features we have. Okay. Yeah, what is SQL? You cannot forget what is SQL if you watch all these things. Yeah, what is database and its language? Okay, so real life example, managing household data, right? So Zomato, Swiggy comparison, Samsung, LG comparison, Ola, Uber comparison, right? So these are the basic databases from the previous time. Okay, first database is notebook, then floppy, then cassette, then CD, then hard disk. So like this, finally we came to server, then cloud. Next, Yeah, correct. Like that, the evolution of, yes, logically be given, right? And SQL. So these questions are very important questions, which is regularly asking in the SQL. And how to import tables, right? Here, create table first of all. You can just simply copy and create table here. In the, yeah, anywhere you can practice, right? For example, I just create the table here, right? Instead of this, I can create as employees also. Since already student is there, I'll give us a student 1 or student 10 here. A student 10 also may be there. Yeah, it is there. And 15 I'll give. Yeah, once if you create, you can go and see that query executed successfully. That means it is created. Select star from students 15, right? Yeah, if it is showing like this, it is saying that the PostgreSQL, we are in the PostgreSQL style, right? If you insert the record, it will show the record also. No data found, showing table structure like that. Once if you insert the record, then it will show the record also. Yeah, correct. So for SQL developer, I given here how to insert everything. I given here with the screenshots and everything. How to import a CSV file and everything. Yeah, correct. Okay. So any other questions, anyone? Yeah, correct. Sure. You call me tomorrow. You can call, or you can call after this also. Yeah, that's very true. No, I'll speak to your team. Okay, I will make it everything. No issue. No need to worry about that. Okay. So any other questions, anyone? Those who are in the LMS or Zoom? Yeah. Okay. Mapping, right? Create mapping. Yeah, it's a new account. Okay, just simply I migrated a few data in this from the previous account to this one. Sure. See here, it is showing the list of tables in our Oracle. Same way we can connect with Snowflake also, right? Let me take the student table here. Okay. This is what you tried, right? Already. Yeah. Fine. No, the class will complete by 9:30 every day. Okay. Yeah, whatever it may be. Since it is a demo session, and keep on taking, because we have a lot of pages and features. So if I keep on explaining, it is taking more time. That's the thing. If I want to explain if I want to properly explain our website, that also will take a lot of time. So I'm just trying to Yeah. See, if you go through this, interview question answers is there. So simply click on this, interview question answers, everything is there. Okay. And for our enrolled students, we have some extra features. Okay. Yeah. This is Snowflake. Okay. Yeah. Everything has its own resumes and everything, right? Snowflake interview preparation, right? You can prepare for all the features, everything is given here, all the question answers, everything is given here. And yes, so this is Informatica PowerCenter and this is IICS. Snowflake also is there. Everything we have with sample resume also, right? You can download the sample resume here itself directly. See here, 3 sample resume is there, right? Simply I will click on the download. It will get downloaded. See here, it is getting downloaded, right? Download in progress. See here, it is downloaded. So now the resume is opening. This is a sample resume. You can download it within our website. Simply you can modify your resume and you can use it for you. Okay, based on the name and everything, the experience and the project, everything is filled already. If you want, you can change few projects and you can make it as your resume directly. Yeah. Yes. Same way for all, not only for this. We have for PowerCenter, we have for IICS, we have for Snowflake, we have for Azure also. Okay. This Snowflake resume. See here, Snowflake resume. So Snowflake has 3 types of resumes like Snowflake data engineer, developer, and Snowflake admin also. But my recommendation for IICS developer, you can focus more on IICS. Yes, IICS PowerCenter. Snowflake is secondary only for you. Okay, because you're yeah, correct. Sure. Right. I can remove that and simply I will do the mapping. Okay. Auto map, smart map. Okay. I'll do the smart map here and save it. Which video you are asking? Okay. So this is the current batch video. Okay. Correct. I already uploaded everything in the LMS portal. Okay. This is a copy only. For example, this is yesterday's video. Yeah. Let me run this. Very good evening and good morning, everyone. The Salesforce connection. Welcome to the ISS Combo batch. What is this? Single. So this is a Salesforce class. Okay. Yeah. So like this, all the videos will be uploaded daily. Correct. Yes. This is performance tuning, right? Yes. Same way. Exactly. Okay. Any other questions? Yeah, this is the Ubuntu. Okay, you can practice all the, this is the Unix platform. Okay, you can practice all the, yes, yes. Okay, so one second, one second. So this is the documents I'll give immediately once if you join. Okay, these documents is more than enough. Okay, so these documents I'll give immediately, day-to-day document for students. Okay, you can just open any one page in this. So you can practice all these things, exercises. Let us see the exercise. So this is how I'll give the exercise daily. If you come, for example, this one, this for SQL, just clear the exercises daily, and you are already done. Okay, yes, that is what they are also looking for. You have the mapping document. Okay, you can follow the mapping. Everything will have the mapping document also. So this is our mapping document will be there. You can follow this and you can create the mappings yourself. Yeah, correct. See here with the screenshots, everything I given. Just follow the steps, follow the video or follow the document. That is your wish. Okay, but document also will take you to create everything. See here, everything step by step I given. Correct. See, creating a mapping document is that so much of difficulties there, but we have done that. So this is exercise for union transformation. Like this for all the topics will be there. This is the exercise for union. So here question 1 and question 2. What is the difference between union transformation and the file? Okay. Take some same structured sources from heterogeneous load and load to the target. Then remove the duplicate records. So this is one. This is for Unix. Sorry, union. Same way for all the sessions we have. A router is very important and interesting also. Yeah, router. Create below 3 tables. Okay, first you can create the tables, and these are the questions. I given the UI also how to. Okay, exercise 2. So split and load the students' data into 2 different targets. So you can send all the even numbers to one side and the odd numbers to another target, right? Another way, if you have 100 records, 50 records you can send to one target. The remaining 50 records you can send to another. Okay, these are the exercises like that I'll give. So if you are not able to complete, we will support how to complete the exercise also. Okay, so this is how you can master. Without any efforts, we can't do anything, right? Complete the class, complete the exercise. That's all. You are done already. Then go through the real-time scenarios, whatever I given in our pages, right? Go through this real industry projects and go through these pages particularly. These a lot will make you really experienced person for sure. No doubt in that. Okay. Yeah. So any other questions, anyone? Yeah. Again, you're talking about the experience. Okay. So now I just changed the mapping here. Okay. I just added. Okay. You can see here it is saving now. Previously, some error, it was cloud error. Okay. So this is how we can create a mapping. And let me do the uh, field mapping here. Okay. Click on the truncate. Mod map. Click on this button. And it is asking save again. Saved. Click on the run. You can change this to the current runtime environment. It is running my jobs. So this is the basic mapping we can do. Okay. The one-to-one mapping without using any transmission. Just click on this, refresh 2-3 times. Also, you can refresh here so that the mapping will complete. Yes, yes. Even for Informatica PowerCenter also same only. Go to the, so let me create a mapping here also, okay? So that you will get a clear idea. Okay. Map test, okay? I'll give the map test name here. And you can create a mapping here. Simply take the source and yeah, let me see here. Let us complete the IICS, okay? 107 record, it is completed, right? Just go and see here, it is loaded to the target, okay? Select star from, just now I changed it to employees, right? So select star from TGT employees, or you can give even the students also. See here, it is loaded, right? So it is loaded from Informatica IICS to Oracle, like that, okay? Yeah. No, previously I was in the student table. Now I taken the employees table, right? Yeah, mostly we will practice with student table only, not the employees table, okay? And in between this, we can add lot of transformations, okay? See here all the transformations. For example, I want to add expression. Simply click on expression. Expression is added, right? Again, if I want to add any other transformation, filter added. Any other transformations I want to add? Yes, I can add the router, aggregate. So like this, yes. Same way for PowerCenter also.